In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pinterest account. Before we begin, a quick note about what we're doing. Deleting your Pinterest presence is a permanent action that removes your profile, boards, and pins, along with associated personal data. If you only want a break, you might prefer options like deactivation, but if you're sure you want a full removal, these are the exact steps to follow. It helps to be on a desktop browser for the clearest view. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you intend to remove. Start by going to Pinterest.com. Once the homepage or your feed loads, take a second to confirm you're logged into the right profile, especially if you manage more than one account. If you're not signed in, sign in first so you can access your settings. Next, open the main menu by clicking on the area labeled Settings and Support. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of the screen. It may appear as your profile photo or an icon that reveals a drop-down. Click it to expand the menu. This is the hub where Pinterest groups account options and help resources. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the control center for your account. Here you can manage everything from your profile details to account controls, privacy, and data handling. We'll stay focused on the paths that lead to account and data deletion. Inside Settings, look for the section called Privacy and Data. Click it. This page is dedicated to how Pinterest handles your information, and it's where you'll find the tools to manage data collection, download a copy of your information if needed, and proceed with deleting what Pinterest stores about you. Now select Delete Data. This is the action that begins the removal process tied to your account and personal information. Pinterest may present a confirmation screen or prompt you to verify your choice. Read the on-screen notes carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether anything is reversible. After you confirm, Pinterest may send an email or display a final confirmation. Processing can take time, and during that window, some content may not disappear immediately. Once completed, your profile, boards, pins, and related personal information will be removed in line with Pinterest's policies. Keep in mind that if you change your mind later, restoration may not be possible. If your layout looks a little different, use the search within Settings for Privacy and Data or Delete Data. Interface labels can shift, but the pathway remains the same. And if you need a personal archive, look for data download options in the same privacy and data area before you proceed. That's it. Your Pinterest account and data are now on their way to being fully deleted. Thanks for watching and take care.